If you want a quick way to collect feedback, learn what your audience thinks, or ask customers a few simple questions, then creating a survey in Mailchimp is a really useful feature to know. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to create a survey in Mailchimp step by step. And I'll keep it simple so you can follow along even if you're brand new to the platform. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump into Mailchimp. First, log into your Mailchimp account and look for the Create button. Click Create to open the menu, and from there choose Surveys. This is where Mailchimp lets you build a survey without needing any separate tool or extra software. Once the survey options open, click Create Survey. Mailchimp will ask you to give your survey a name, so type in a clear name that helps you remember what it's for. For example, you could name it based on your campaign, your audience, or the topic you're collecting feedback on. After that, click Begin to start building your survey. Now you're in the survey editor, and this is where you can start adding your questions. To add your first item, click the plus icon. Mailchimp will show you different question types you can use, such as an introduction, a text field, an image, or other question formats, depending on how you want the survey to look. Select the question type that fits what you want to ask. If you want to make the survey more engaging, you can add video, text, or image content as part of your survey flow. This is a great way to add an introduction message, explain what the survey is about, or give people a little more context before they answer. After selecting the content type, type your question or message into the editor. If you want to add more questions, just click the plus icon again and repeat the process. You can build out the survey one question at a time and organize it in the order that makes the most sense for your audience. Take your time here and make sure each question is clear, short, and easy to understand. When your questions are ready, click Continue to Design. This section lets you move forward and review how your survey will look. Go through the design options and make any adjustments you need so the survey matches your branding and feels professional. After that, click Continue to Settings. In the Settings section, check everything carefully. Make sure the survey details, design, and setup are correct before you move on. This is a good moment to review your survey one more time so you don't miss anything important. Once everything looks good, click Continue again. Mailchimp will prepare the survey link for you. At this stage, you can copy the URL so you can share it with your audience through email, social media, or anywhere else you want people to complete it. Finally, click Finish to complete the setup. Your survey is now ready to use, and you can start collecting responses from your audience right away. And that's it. You now know how to create a survey in Mailchimp from start to finish. If this tutorial was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more Mailchimp and marketing tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.